get this.
Hey, Paul.
Open it up.
We are opening up. Where's your knife? A knife. A package that Allen sent us. I don't think I can talk so loud in here. It's a. Oh, what's your finger, bud? You about got yourself. Linda says I'm not excited enough whenever I open stuff.
You ain't.
I'm just beside myself right now.
See all that excitement?
Oh, ain't it pretty?
Oh, it is pretty. Oh. I want to see it. Oh, I love it.
Yeah, that's
Right
pretty.
family count.
Yeah.
Yay, I love it.
Mama, you gonna be, everybody gonna see you.
Well, I don't care, I do love it.
That is nice right there. You did a good job, Allen. You went above and did.
That is beautiful.
What did you say?
You cut the bar. Hey, this bar is glued on there.
Oh.
Cut it off of yeah. Y'all see that?
I love it. Is it mine too?
No, it's just for me and
It
Steve.
says family.
Yo,
Thank you, Alan.
this part of the family.
No, I'm part of the
Boys
family.
only allowed. Let me see if we can get this in there. Yeah, oh, it's too dark. Can't see.
You mean hold it back here?
Yeah. No, it's still too dark. It's too dark. Anyways, folks, I don't know if you can see it or not, but
It is
it's real pretty
beautiful.
anyhow. Hold on.
I
There.
love it.
You just
Yay.
happen to have one in your pocket.
I can get my iPhone.
That is
That ain't-
beautiful.
That ain't gonna. You ain't got a flashlight in your room? Turn Santa Claus on.
Yeah, my color is bright.
I guess the boys blow the bulb in again.
How do they do that?
Well, let's see, folks. Hang on.
It's part of loaded. The boys shake it around.
Oh, here we go. Maybe so. Maybe not so.
There you go.
Yeah. Well, that gummit. Well, that's a. Let me get it on up here in the light. Can y'all see that, folks? Cause I can't. Let me see. Let me get over here. No, can't see it there either. Let's go in here. Oh, there we go. Yeah, buddy. That's it right there. Yeah. Look, it even matches our floor. Huh? How about that? We'll just go camping right here in the dining room. Quit making fun of me, woman. Yeah, y'all see that right there, folks? That's just plumb pretty, ain't it? Yep, buddy. That's all right there. All right, folks. Let me get off of here. Thank you, Allen. Once again, you went above and beyond. Sorry, I'm talking loud. Forgot. Oh yeah, it shows up good now. That's all I had to do was put the popcorn stuffing behind it. Alright, folks. I've had a long day. I always do an unboxing when I've had a long, tiresome day. But anyhow, thank you again, Allen. I'm so eternally grateful. And I hope it was worth shaving your legs to watch it this time. And the end.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas to everybody and to all a good night, unless it's daytime. And okay, folks, bye.